SafeMoon holders, hope you're fine now. Friends, in this video I will show you the live price prediction of the SafeMoon coin and what's the price change goes in this time in the SafeMoon coin. So first of all, I will show you the market of the cryptocurrencies, what's the prices goes in a SafeMoon conference and other cryptocurrencies, friends. So now let's see the market. As you can see here, yesterday the market crash occurred in all the cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, now currently they are positive, but yesterday they changed negative. XRP Ripple fall down, Cardano, Dogecoin, channeling, and something like that. You can see now on the screen. I'm scrolling. As you can see, VTN fall down, Steeder change negative, whole as change as a negative, friends. Same like that you can see here. Yesterday crash occurred in the cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, same change negative, friends. Negative, falls down occur in all the cryptocurrencies, same like that, friends. Now if we talk about a hard SafeMoon coin, so the SafeMoon is the unique coin which has changed become positive very highly. As you can see here, now let's talk about the SafeMoon coin. SafeMoon change become positive, friends, at this time, friends. Now let's talk about what's the price change goes in the SafeMoon. As you can see here, the last 1 day price change occur in the SafeMoon coin as very highly, and the change is a positive 1.26%. That means that the SafeMoon is a safely they can drop you on the moon with safely, friends. So please, if you are a holder of SafeMoon coin, so please hold it. That will really make you millionaire in this year, friends. As you know, the 1 million above holders completed of the SafeMoon coin, and the last 50 days and 400,000 followers completed on Twitter in the last 50 days, friends. So absolutely it's a success of SafeMoon coin. That's mean that the SafeMoon coin goes very highly and they are ready to go to moon, friends. If you're a holder, so absolutely don't send it at this time. Wait for the end of this year. That will make you millionaire and this year, friends. So what's your opinion about SafeMoon coin? My opinion is that only and only SafeMoon goes upward, friends. So I think it's the best investment of all of you, friends. So what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.